Hey guys, it is Charlotte and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So today, as you can see, we got paid this week and that means that we are going to be breaking down our bills. We're going to be stuffing our cash envelopes and also stuffing our sinking funds. I'm super excited because this is the first paycheck, our real paycheck from our real big girl job for 2023, and I am super excited to be showing you guys. If any of this interests you, I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel, be part of my family. I upload videos pretty much on the regular Tuesdays and Saturdays, and then on Sundays I do upload some videos of what's sold on eBay and everything. So I would love for you guys to come and join us. All right, so for paycheck number 1 for January of 2023, I budgeted $2,079 and we are getting paid $2,068. And then side hustle, I budgeted $50 and we actually made $40. It was very slow. This is a accumulation of, holidays, Christmas, New Year's, so not a lot of people buying online after that. So, but it's fine. We're going to pick up. Just recently, as I'm filming this video, I've had 2 orders and I think I made roughly around $40 already again. So it's an extra $40. So we're making it, you guys. All right, moving on to our bills. So as you can see, I have house, car, insurance, Disney, Capital One, light bill, and phone bill. Those are the only bills that I have. I'm working towards paying off the Capital One this year and then diving into my Disney credit card. All right, so for house, I budgeted $218 and we are going to be doing $218. Car maintenance, I budgeted $200 and that is how much we are going to be putting in. Insurance will be $38 and that is exactly what I do every 2 weeks, $38 each. Disney, the credit card, I usually don't know what the bank statement is, so it's usually high, but I decided to just do $50. Capital One is going to be getting $100. Light bill is going to be getting $50, and I have no idea how much the light bill is going to cost this week or this month. And then the phone is going to be $50 and it is a total of $100 every single month. Now we are just going to go ahead and add all of that together. 50, 100, 50, and 50. So that is $706 is how much we are going to be putting towards bills. So that's a lot. Let's double check because what I've written down was different from, still $706. All right, you guys. So that is it for our paycheck, what we're going to be spending the bills on. So we are going to move on to our cash envelopes. So our cash envelopes, we have 3 categories. We have groceries, gas, and fun money. Groceries for 2 weeks, we each get, Jared just buys whatever he wants, but I budget $100. That is 2 50s that we're going to be putting in, and like I said, this will cover for 2 weeks. Gas, we have $10 left over, and we are going to be putting $140. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, and 40. We are going to be going on vacation on January the 15th. So we are going to Charleston, which we are super excited about that. And it's going to be for my birthday, which my birthday is on January 14th. So we're going to be traveling to Charleston, South Carolina. We've never been, so we are super excited about that. Fun money leftover is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we have $20 left over from our cash envelopes. We do have some coins, which I'll just take those out. Let's see. There you go. And fun money is going to be getting $100. And it's most likely probably just going to go towards Charleston, to be honest. Let's move that out of the way. So that is it for our cash envelopes. Now, moving on, we are going to be doing our fun part, which is going to be the sinking funds. And sinking funds are always so much fun for me. First off, we're just going to go right down here and write $40 for eBay. So that is what we're going to be stuffing in our side hustle envelope. And I do, at the end of the month, I do a eBay and Mercari paycheck. And that is just, I write down how much we made, how much was shipping and all that stuff, and our profit that we made. And then I use that money and I stuff wherever I want to stuff at. And it could be in sinking funds, it could be in cash envelopes, it could be anywhere. All right, so first off, we are going to be stuffing $445 worth of sinking funds. So medical is going to be getting $40. Car maintenance is going to be getting $40. And I didn't do a starting balance. I probably should have done a starting balance, but this week has been so crazy that I just did not have time for it. Vacation is $300. Dobby will be getting $30. Christmas, we are starting with $20. Now, I'm trying to decide if I want to do Christmas envelope separate than my Christmas money challenge that I'm going to do. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. Because if I do them separate, I'm going to have 3 different Christmas funds going. So I'm going to have this sinking fund, a Christmas money challenge sinking fund, and also the Ibotta sinking fund. So there's a lot of stuff that I need to figure out. Special occasion is going to be $0. Home is going to be getting $5. Beauty will get $0. And renewal will get $10. So that is how much we are going to be putting in. So let's see. So we have 40 plus 40 plus 300 plus 30 plus 20 plus 5 and plus 10, $445. And that is correct. So let's go ahead and do our side hustle real quick. We're going to be putting $40 in here. Awesome. And then we are going to grab our sinking funds, which is always going to be in this till, and then I just use these stickers. All right, so first off is going to be not car maintenance, it's going to be medical. So medical is going to be getting $40. And let's see how much we have. So we have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So $184. So that is awesome. $184. Car maintenance will be getting $40 as well. And I already have $500 in the bank. So we have 500, 20, 40, 60, 80. So $580. Vacation, which will be our last stuffing before we go on vacation. So we have 1, 2, and 3, so $300. Now, of course, if we don't spend all of our vacation fund, then we are going to be either putting it towards the future vacation, which the next vacation I would have is, I believe, Mother's Day. Yes, I think that Mother's Day is going to be the next one. And then, or we can just do the money challenges. I don't know yet, you guys. Haven't thought that far ahead. So Dobby is going to be getting $30. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 95. So $95 for Dobby. He is getting fixed on the 23rd. And we most likely will have to use the $200 that we have saved from our pet savings fund, and plus this $95, which is totally fine. You know, we have sinking funds for a reason. And yeah, so I'm not too worried about the bill. Christmas is going to be getting $20. Special occasion is not getting any money, but we're still going to count it. So we have 5, 6, and 7. $7. Home is going to be getting $5. So we have 20, 30, 35, and 36. $36. Did I do 5? No, I didn't put a 5 in. So we have 20, 30, 35, 40, 41. So $41 for home. Next is going to be beauty, and we are not putting anything in, but we have 20, 30, and 35. $35 for beauty. And then renewal is getting $10. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, and 40. So we have $140. I'm still waiting for Jared to give me his part of the HOA because that needs to be paid. And it is a total of $220. So it's $110 towards from both of us. All right, you guys, so that is our sinking funds. Let me know if you want a separate video of me like breaking down exactly like what falls under medical. Of course, it's going to be like, you know, co-pays, emergency stuff, or medicine like that. But if y'all want a separate video of me breaking down sinking funds, I have done one in the past, but I have switched out some of my sinking funds for new ones and kept some old ones. So if you would like a new updated sinking fund explained, then I will be more than happy to do that for you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and do our balance, which is going to be $1,402. So that is a rough estimate. If you are a longtime subscriber for me, then you will know that I post money challenges videos on Tuesday, and you know that I am doing a birthday fun money challenge. And that is where I put towards a certain amount of goals. So it is, I think, $2,000 for my birthday fund. So technically, I think I can't remember how much I had the last time, but I have over $1,000 already. So this is just a rough estimate of how much I have in my sinking funds, just to let you guys know. But anyway, so that is it. That is the first paycheck of 2023, and I am super excited that I got to share this with you guys. And guys, have you seen my new Erin Condren? I didn't even mention that. So this is my new Erin Condren planner. It is like a mint color. It says 2023. In numeric numbers and in cursive, and also it has the gold stars around it. I thought this was really pretty, and it also says my name. I absolutely love this. Have the silver coral, and then the stickers are from Miss Cami. I call her Cami. It's Carla, but I will definitely link her stuff down below. She does have a website. She sells these. I have been a long time supporter of hers whenever she does these layouts and budget stickers. But anyways, I love you guys, and thank you guys so much for all of your love and support. I cannot wait to see what 2023 has in store for us, and I will see you guys on Tuesday because I don't think I'm doing a what's sold for eBay. If you'll understand why. We're probably going to do it for 2 weeks. But anyways, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.